Hello everybody, I'm Sarah Godfrey and I'm an artist printmaker. Join me today as I venture into the woods to do some printmaking on location. Follow my process from cutting the lino to printing in the woods. That's it, so here we go. I'm going to try and make an image of this tree. It's nice and wiggly. Now, this is the tool I'm using, and I'm going to use just this little tip, and I'm just going to initially scratch an outline simply, so I've got a bit of an idea of the composition I'm going to use on my piece of lino. Rightio, here we go. Hello again. Well, I don't know how well you can see this, but I've actually just used the edge of my lino tool to scratch out a very simple outline of the tree. So now I'm going to basically squint at the tree so I can just see it in kind of silhouette and start to dig out. I like to get as many different types of marks, as many different types of tools as you can on one print. So if today I'm going to use all my tools, not that I've got that many, all my tools, get some different marks, and when I'm using my tools, I will scrape my tools, I will push my tools, I will scratch my tools, and just get that general life in your drawing. As you can see, I'm using the tree as inspiration. I'm not copying it exactly. I just want to get that feel. I just love that feeling, that scraping. It's almost like doing some kind of sculpture for marks. I think it's about that time in my head where it says change tools. I'll use those two, and I'm going to use this one. Now, this is a tool. Here you are, if you can see it. Right, I'm going to do something a bit more definite now. Let's get some of this hacked out, this back. Yeah. Now, I know probably when I've done lino prints before, and I'm checking what marks I've made, I would get a piece of thin newsprint or something, put it over, and do a rubbing with a pencil. It's just becoming a riot of marks. It's so exciting. Wondering what's going to happen with this. I think I'm going to just maybe go for it, print it on there, maybe too much. Go for it. Roll it on. Right, I can see it is very abstract. I'm not going to let it rub equal pressure all over. I'm going to draw with this end of the wooden spoon and also try and get a bit of a monoprint going. Put that down. I think I might just put a little rub just so it kind of almost sticks to the lino slightly, so I don't want it moving. Oh yes, it's coming on. Got some nice marks there. Right. Am I going to get any better than that? Here we are. Done it. Can you see it? Look at those marks. I think I really need to take it back home and look at it, calm down a bit, maybe rework it a bit and doing a better print. Right, now I'm going to just do something because I'm going to do another print. Get some of these lovely oak leaves and just lay them on. You can see a little bit of texture of the leaves, can't you? You can see what I was getting at. There's something to be made of it. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe below. Look out for my next video in which I'll be developing the print back at home, experimenting with monoprints, playing with stencils, printing relief and intaglio, working with ghost prints, layering and mark making. Looking forward to it.